Example 1, 20% of what number is 15? What I want to do to solve a percent sentence problem, and they're very obvious, you're going to see something percent of something is something, or some number is some percent of some number. It'll be something along those lines. The percent proportion looks like this. Is over of equals percent over 100. That's your percent proportion. Anytime you see a percent sentence problem, some percent of something is something, or some number is some percent of something, either one of those structures, that's what you're going to start off with. And the way it looks like before you put numbers in it is this. Fraction bar equals fraction bar with 100 in the denominator. Okay? 100 is always 100. Everything else changes depending on the problem. Alright? The three things we have to focus in on with the percent proportion are the percent. The percent is very obvious. It has the word percent or a percent symbol next to it. Always start there. So 20% means that 20 goes over 100, and then we've dealt with it. Now it's gone and forgotten. Then we have the word of, which goes in the bottom, and notice here's the word of up here. And we have the word is that goes on top, and that's where the word is. Okay? What I want you to see is next to the word of, take a look, next to of we have what number, next to is we have what number, and also 15. Alright, which one do we have no options with? Of is only what number, right? When we see what number, what do we think of?
X.
A variable, right? X is fine. So X goes on the bottom. And once I did of X, so X goes in the bottom, and what number's been used up, this option just disappeared, right?
Yep.
Because we've already used that. So all that's left is 15. There's only one slot left for it to go in. Okay, so you fill up your proportion one thing at a time. Start with the percent. Then do either is or of, whichever one only has one option. And then once you've done that, there's only one thing left for the other box. Alright? Once you get everything set up properly, then it's a proportion, so we're going to cross multiply this product, which is 20x, equals this product, which is 1500. Divide both sides by 20 to solve. We always want x equals, so number in front of x means we have to divide by it. And if we divide 1500 by 20, we're going to get 75. Okay. So use the percent proportion. Put everything where it appropriately belongs in the percent proportion. Cross multiply to get a nice fractionless equation. Divide by whatever in front of x to solve.